And good morning, this is my Jeep update. I believe it's Sunday, May 7th, I think. And I have been working. Hadn't been hard work, but I've been working on, I kind of banged up my skid plate, getting it in and out. And I was having some problems. I don't know, this is aftermarket, and I don't know if it's exactly the same as the original, but I was having problems right here. This is where I've got the opening covered with that big socket, so when I was painting where I did some cutting, the paint wouldn't get in there. But anyway, it was up here, about right there, and we never got the tank fully mounted, but I noticed when it was going up there, it was pushing that damn filler hose way up out of the, way, and it was making it hard to match it up with the filler neck. So anyway, I decided to cut some of that out, and I painted it. I grind the edges off. It's not beauty, but it'll do. And I touched up. This thing got banged up going in and out several times. I touched it up. And anyway, that's a My Jeep update, and I'll get back with you a little bit later. I still got a little bit of work to do on my spare tire compartment. Not much, I don't think. See if I can get in here and see. But it's kind of dark, but I don't think I need to, but if you see where my hands is, I'm gonna go ahead and raise these areas right here up to here. Yeah, it's okay over there because it's in pretty good shape, original shape, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. But I'm going to go ahead while I'm at it. I'm going to go ahead and push that up a little bit with my jack and my 4x4. That worked pretty good. All right, and that's that hose. Like I said, when we were putting that skid plate, trying to get it up in position, that cutaway, I think it was too high, was hitting this hose, and here's the filler neck, and the hose is going way over here, and I was trying to bend it. So anyway, that ought to give me a little bit more room there. We'll see, and I'll update you on that too. That's My Jeep out. Also, on a quick note, I hope my video comes out better, because the last one was kind of hazy or blurry looking. I believe I had something on my lens. I cleaned it. Let's see. We'll see how this one comes out. My Jeep out again. And good early afternoon. My Jeep update. I believe it's Tuesday, May 9th. Okay, I'm getting back on this tank again, and I got me enough room this time after modifying that spare tire compartment to get it on up there. And that's what I'm working on right now, rehooking all my fuel lines, the fuel vent line. I got my electrical connection. I still have my rollover valve hose to hook up, and when I get that done, I'm here by myself today. I'm going to try to get it jacked up far enough, get one bolt started up here on this side, just get it started, and then try to work over here and get one bolt up here, and I'll see how that goes, and I'll update you a little bit later. And